This is our microfiber chenille mitt. The reason I really like it is because it's really good for washing the car, truck, SUV, whatever you like. Bucket of water and soap. It protects your knuckles when you're doing the rims and washing the car. The second reason I like it is because inside the house with a little bit of water, spray it, and it gets into every nook and cranny in the house that you want to dust. The keyboards of the computer, the mini blinds, things like that. When you finish with it, just throw it in the wash and you're good to go.